Hi everyone, my name is Justin and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, like the first video, this is also going to be a special video because this is about SB19. So I have two videos actually. One is 3 minutes and something seconds and then 7 minutes and something seconds. So it's gonna be a 10-minute or maybe 15-minute video for you guys. It depends on how talkative am I gonna be on this one, but I feel like I'm not gonna be that talkative, but let's just start the video, I guess. So before I do that, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and of course subscribe to my channel because it helps a lot. It really do. If you have already subscribed to my channel, if you have already watched some of my SB19 videos, which I have made like months earlier, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate that a lot. And yeah, I'm sending hugs, love, and kisses to everyone who's watching this video. So let's start.
SB19 had a hilarious moment trying to hold their laughter in the middle of promoting their latest single, Damn.
So you can check it out. Aming bagong single na Damn,
And
nakalabas na po ang aming music.
talking.
And music video sa lahat po ng platform, so you can check it out. Just search for
Why?
SB19 Official and Official SB19 at please enjoy and
Oh,
share your thoughts sa social media po and join the hashtags kung ano man po ang hashtags natin today. And yeah, thank you po sa suporta and patuloy niyo lang po kami suportahan. Thank you so much!
While at the studio on the day of Thigh guesting, they taught the hosts the dance of their latest song, Damn.
5, 6, 7, and bakit ba nagsaganto? Ang daming tukso, bawat hakbang laging may good job. Pagkamalas kung bagat pa 1, 2, 3, ikot, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1,
This is
2,
so cool.
3, and 4, and ad-lib 6, 7, 8. Please natin mag-pick up.
Wala.
Ano daw natin, step by the step.
Step by the step.
First step, nakaganto na yung kamay natin. Bakit? Alam niyo, feeling yung frustrated na kayo. Bakit ba ito nangyayari?
Okay.
Paano ka ba mainis, Julie? Ha? Paano ka mainis?
Hindi nainisip.
Yun lang! Yun lang! Kasi di ba normally pag nainis tayo, pero isa-stylize lang natin yun lang. Yan! So, ang first step natin, bakit ba? Pero, di ba pag may problema tayo, sino muna natin ilalapitan? Si Lord. Si Lord. Bakit ba nagkaganto, Lord? Tapos, after mo itanongin kay Lord, sabi mo, ano po bang problema ko sa sarili ko?
Or, Lord, ano bang dapat kong
I'm gonna be honest with you. As your choreographer, explain
Yes!
all the moves like this. You're gonna learn it. You're gonna learn it.
Bakit ba nagkaganto? O, di ba? Kaya naman from the top?
Gusto ko explain mo to.
May sagot ako dyan. Ang yaming, bakit ba nagkaganto? Siyempre, minsan pagka-buryong-buryo tayo, hindi natin mahanap yung sagot. Mga babae, anong una yung ginagawa pagka bored na bored kayo? Nagluluto! Nagluluto tayo! Naghiwa ko ng onion, sibuyas. Tapos, after mo di ba maghiwa, siyempre, lalagay mo na yan sa lulutuin mo.
Shing!
It's good.
Diba, naluto mo na? Kuha ka kayo lang ng ingredients.
Ang weak talaga ng lalaki.
Eh, yung asin mo nabasa. Kailangan, di ba, tuyo siya. Tutuyuin mo.
Ooh, they're so cool. Julian Kenneth is one of like the girl crush for me. She's the best. She can act, she can dance, she can sing. Whee! Oh, it's done already. We're up to the next video. That one, Justin and Stella.
Pamay na lang po, mine black stripes. Mine black stripes. Meron po tayong code dyan na Stel Kalakal to get 50% off.
That is a long.
Mamaya.
he's not like closing the door, right?
So, ano
Order
pa
for
mga
us to
tanong?
hear that.
Narinig namin yung ihi ni Justin. Oh, lakas!
This is my first time hearing that laugh.
Oy, lumab.
Isang ano, get out.
Get out.
Pablo sleeping his head and then pretending that nothing happened. Never seen that. Ouch! Ouch, ouch, ouch. Guys, please protect your hands. That hurt. Drum style and justice deleted.
Like communicating. Yeah, it's just like the world domination. Shut up.
If this is deleted, you guys are the best at keeping clips. If this is really deleted, oh, you're really good at saving things.
I think James is very trustable.
Trustable.
I have this incident where
The most iconic dance challenge.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, this one, yeah, I remember this. I will never forget it again. I feel like Justin kind of regretted falling in line behind himself. Ang kalat nyo.
A few moments later.
How often do you know?
Ano ka kadalas uminom ng tubig?
Depende. Kasi marami pong madalas kong inaano eh. Maglinis ng bahay, maghugas. Madalas ako maglaba. Pero uminom ng tubig, everyday po.
Ito talaga si WTV.
Ilan araw sa araw? Ilang araw sa ilang day?
Kadalasan kasi every night ako talaga, every night ko tinotodo eh. Every night ko tinotodo, yung pag-inom ng water.
Hanggang madaling araw?
Oo, kasi pag bago ka matulog, dapat hydrated ka eh. So sa gabi, tinotodo ko talaga.
Mag-ano?
Mag-inom ng water.
Ah, thanks.
Gato pa nga yung baso ko eh.
Minsan sabay tayo.
Minsan nga dalawang kamay po gamit ko eh. Kasi malaki po yung baso ko ganun.
Did you the sun? Goosebumps. So good. Very satisfying to hear that.
Pablo, okay lang? Okay ka naman? Okay naman. Nasaktan ka dun? Alam ko. It's okay. You don't need to cry. Ganyan talaga si Julie tsaka si Stel. Sinasabi ko yun, yung dalawang coach na yan, kahit na magsalita si Jules, okay lang yan. This is what I feel every day. Oh, it's okay. Pero it's okay. Uy, talaga umiiyak!
Christmas caroling with Pablo.
Pasko na, tayo na magkaisa. Pasko na,
And this is loud too.
na, saya. 1, 2, 3, 1, 6, 7.
Wait lang.
There's no point of blurring it out, guys. Still choking up.
Ken, can you give me a boom, stack, boom, boom? 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, stack, boom, boom. Hey.
Hey Pablo, can you give me a pak pak boom boom pak boom boom? Pak pak boom boom pak boom boom boom.
5, 6, 7, 8. Pak, pak, boom, boom, pak, boom, boom, boom.
Justin, give me a spaghetti pak pak brrr boom. 5, 6, 7, 8. Spaghetti pak pak brrr boom.
Hey, oh Josh, can you give me a kalak 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 boom? 5, 6, 7, 8. Kalak 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 boom.
Stel, can you give me... Ano isa pa?
Josh, can you please ayusin mo?
Stel, can you give me a...
Ano daw? Ano daw?
Stel, can you give me a... Ow! Bug, bug, ching! Okay, 6, 7, 8. Ow! Bug, bug, ching!
Oh! Okay, thank you so much for watching, guys. That is it for the video. I feel like I need more, but let's save this energy on the next video. So yeah, before I end the video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have already done that. Thank you so much. I appreciate that a lot. And yeah, see you on my next video. Bye bye for now.